this next story, which is that the Chief Justice Martha Koome has constituted a 3-judge bench of the High Court that will hear and determine the case challenging the legality of the Finance Act 2023. Justice Mugure Thande of the High Court twice issued conservatory orders suspending the implementation of the Act and transmitting the file to the Chief Justice. And as Ayub Abdikadir reports, the bench will set hearing dates for the matter.
The 3-judge bench made up by David Majanja, Lawrence Mugambi and Christine Meoli will hear and determine the matter. Judge Majanja will preside over the bench that was formed by CJ Koome to hear the Finance Act 2023 that was enacted by Parliament and challenged at the High Court. Busia County Senator Okia Omtata, Eliud Matindi, Michael Otieno and 4 others challenged the act before the High Court Judge Justice Mugure Thande. The High Court on 30th of June suspended the implementation of the entire Finance Act pending the determination of the petitions filed by the petitioners. The petitioners prayed that the Finance Act be declared unconstitutional, arguing that there was no concurrence of both Speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate on matters relating to the counties. The ruling effectively stopping the government from levying any taxes under the new Act, including the 8% VAT increment on petroleum products and the housing levy. The High Court on 10th of July extended the orders barring Treasury Cabinet Secretary Njuguna Ndungu from implementing the Finance Act 2023 after dismissing an application by the government to lift the freeze. Justice Mugure Thande ruled that the CS did not convince the court as to why the order should be suspended, and from submissions of all parties that argued before her, the balance tilted in favor of the petitioners. At the same time, the judge allowed a prayer for the case to be certified urgent due to the weighty constitutional issues and referred the file to Chief Justice Martha Koome to constitute a bench to hear and determine the case. The petitioners argued that the finance bill, now an act after President William Ruto assented to it, was done unprocedurally. The government, through the act, seeks to mobilize additional 311 billion Kenya shillings to scale up the country's revenue streams and go slow on borrowing. Ayub Abdikadir, Citizen TV.